It's windy. I'm gonna show you guys our new garden. We have planted a tree looking thing. Then there's green bushes things. Then we have lots of bushes right here. Remove that bird bath. It's probably the same place we put the bushes are planted. The big bush has been removed. We planted the big tree. More bushes. Those has been there for about a year. Those 3 bushes. That one's new. Also, we put new grass over here. Yeah. But anyways, it's so windy today. Look at all those trees over there, pine trees. Going like crazy. It's kind of windy today. New grass, new grass. Our flag has been broken by the wind last week. 2 weeks, last 2 weeks. It's right there. We might fix it soon. It's been broken by the wind last few weeks. I think you guys remembered that I took a video. It was very windy in the front overnight. That's when it happened. And it has been hitting that wind chime a lot too. Those are popular wind chimes, the Amazing Grace. Popular Woodstock chimes. And it is a beautiful song and beautiful sounding too. It's probably one of my favorite Woodstock chimes right there. The large one. It is a beautiful day today. Beautiful windy day. It's all sunny today. This is the direction I'm in. Look at the big wind. Oh no, tree in the backyard, the big one. Look at this swirling tornado next door. The leaves. It is a beautiful day today. Beautiful windy day. It's a good day to record. That's my back wind chimes in my backyard. 2 patina green wind chimes. Crinkling bells and bells of wind. They're both in patina green. The church bell is the one, the 74-inch, and the big one in the tree is 55-inch, which is now 60-inch. It's a 55. I call it 55 because of the old days. Today they make 60s, but it sounds exact same. Space Odyssey wind chime. I'm peeling a little bit. Wind chime's been there for 2 years. The church bells going. We'll stop trying Space Odyssey. There's a beautiful wind chime. I can even see it through the backyard. I think y'all know I've shown it in the backyard, this one. The Amazing Grace is a popular wind chime for popular Woodstock chimes. This is my first wind chime I got. It's this one, the medium one. I had it since 2015. I got my other Amazing Grace medium in Christmas 2014, then I accidentally broke it. But in my old brick house, I put a little string on it. Then I'm trying to take it off at wholesale book right there. Then I had to get this one, this Amazing Grace one. It is a 7-year-old wind chime, maybe. Had it since 2015, maybe, or 16. Probably 16 or 15, I don't know. I had this wind chime in 2016. I had it since 2016 also, maybe. I had this one last year. I had this one since 2018. I had this probably, let's see, probably a year and a half. I had this one. The big one, I had this wind chime last month, it's brand new. Then I had that black one 3 years. That's a big wind in my backyard. Wow, the pine trees. My trees are going good. Look at that one. My Norfolk Southern train went to. Let me go to the backyard.